guys, I am Ankush Mukin, Oracle cohort batch, and now we are going to discuss about module 1 capstone project. Here we have to discuss 5 problems that are code bug fixing. Let's come to the first question, that is BMI calculator. Before that, I want to tell you that I already solved these questions here. I have solved it like this. First is the code provided by the alpha method, which contains bug, and then my corrected code. So let's come to the first question and start it. First question is BMI calculator. Write a JavaScript function calculate BMI that calculates a person's body mass index based on their weight and height and returns a corresponding health classification. The BMI is a commonly used indicator of body weight status and health. The function should take two arguments, weight and height. We are getting weight and height as an input, and we have to calculate the BMI, whose formula is BMI is equals to weight upon height ka square, height into height. So we have to give our judgment accordingly, that 18.5 is the underweight and 18.5 to 24.9, that is the normal weight. If BMI is between 25 to 29.9, then it is the overweight person. And if BMI is 29.9 or higher, then the person is classified as obese. So here's an example, like input 65 and height is 1.75 meter. It's the normal weight, or when we calculate it, it's output gonna normal weight. Now let's come to the code. Here we are calculating the BMI. Let BMI is equal to weight upon height. We are writing the formula, using the formula. Then if BMI is less than 18.5, then we return underweight. If BMI is between 18.5 and 25.9, then it is the normal weight. If the BMI is between 25 and 29.9, then it is overweight, else it is gonna greater or equal to 29.9, then it is obese. So that's the first question. Now come to the second, that is the temperature converter. Write a JavaScript function convert temperature that converts temperature between Celsius and Fahrenheit scales, providing a flexible tool for users to switch between these two common temperature units. The function should take two arguments, temperature and unit, where temperature is the numerical value of the temperature to be converted, and unit string indicating the initial temperature unit. Okay, we are getting two inputs. The first is temperature and second is the unit. But temperature contains the numerical value and unit contains is it in already given in Celsius or Fahrenheit. If it's Celsius, we have to convert it in Fahrenheit, and if it is in Fahrenheit, we have to convert it into Celsius and return. If unit is C, then it is Celsius, and we have to convert it in Fahrenheit using this formula. And if it is in Fahrenheit, we have to convert it in Celsius using this formula. If unit is neither C nor F, then we have to return invalid unit. Let's come to the code. Here is the code. If unit is equals to C, then we are going to calculate Fahrenheit. Temperature equals to this. Then we are fixing the last two. After decimal, only 2 digits, plus adding Fahrenheit, that telling that this temperature is in Fahrenheit. Next is if F, else if unit is F, then we are calculating the Celsius temperature in Celsius, and then fixing the last 2 decimal digit, and then C else. Otherwise, if invalid unit, then use C or C for Celsius and F for Fahrenheit. Invalid unit we have already told. Let's come to the next question. Next question is the tip calculator. Write a JavaScript function calculate tip that calculate the total amount to be paid including the tip based on the bill amount and a specified tip percentage. The function should take 2 arguments, bill amount and a tip percentage. Okay, we have to calculate the tip percentage. We have given with the we have given the tip percentage and the bill amount, so we have to calculate the how much tip we have to give payback. Here is our code. Calculation tip amount is equals to bill amount into tip percentage. Okay, then the total amount is bill amount plus tip amount, and now we are returning the total amount with 2 digits decimal after decimal. Now coming to the next question. Palindrome checker. Write a JavaScript function is palindrome that checks if a given string is a palindrome. A palindrome is a word, phrase or sequence of characters that reads the same forwards and backwards. We know what palindrome is. Here it is telling that now the function should take an argument, a string. We are giving the string, convert the input string into lowercase, remove any non-alphanumeric characters from the string, and compare the modified string with its reverse to determine if it is a palindrome. We have to tell it's a palindrome or not. Let's come to the code. Here it is. We are getting str as an input. We have first cleaning the string by replacing or removing other characters other than alphanumeric, and then also converting it to the lowercase. Now we are reversing the cleaned string, and then comparing the clean string with the reverse string. If they are equal, it means they are palindrome. If they are equal, we are returning true, otherwise it will not return false. Coming to the next question. Next, the vowel count. Write a JavaScript function which count vowels function that count the number of vowels in a given string. Okay, the function should take 1 argument str. We have to calculate the number of vowels present in the string. Let's come to the code. Function count vowels. Const vowels equals to, we are taking an array of vowels a, e, I, o, u. Const lower string lower str dot to lowercase. We are converting it to the lowercase string. Yeah, if let count is equals to 0. Let's counting for, we are traversing the complete string. If vowels dot includes whatever the character we are checking at that time, then it count plus, and at the end we are returning the count. So that's all. Thank you.